appreciate all the comments and all the DMs and all the other means of messaging me or finding out if I've been okay. I've been okay. I'm alive, so I give God thanks. I'm still alive, so that's one of the biggest blessings that, you know, I could ever have in my life. But ever since lately, like the past couple months, you know, I've just been feeling like I've been taking in a lot of different people's energies. I've been having a lot of new subscribers. Well, I don't even know if some of them are subscribers, but I've been having a lot of new comments where sometimes people are just being overly cynical, overly critical, and not just of me, but of the people that I choose to bring on my channel, which is fine when it's me. You can make fun of me, you can judge me, you can laugh at me, you can say I'm not doing this right. But when it came to, you know, people talking about my boyfriend or people talking about my friends or other family members, it was just too much, and it just made me feel down. It made me feel like I didn't want to record. It made me just feel like I want to just live more in the moment. I have been recording, but I haven't been consistent with it, so I'm trying to get back to that now. And you know, I've just been trying to live more in the moment. I'll record snippets, but other than like me recording a lot, I just haven't been doing that. But I just want to say I'm sorry for worrying any of you guys. I'm back, and I'm gonna try my best to do as much as I can to get you guys the content that you guys love. I just realized that I need a space from the internet and a space from other people's energies, because honestly, we just shouldn't be taking in so much different people's perspectives, opinions, and thoughts on us in general. So I'm just gonna keep it pushing. I'm grateful that I know every single one of you are, and not that I'm just gonna keep it pushing. I'm very grateful for every single one of you for always coming back and always helping me, always supporting me. So I'm gonna do my best to bring you guys amazing content. So enjoy the video. Bye.
When your reports are due, even if it is that you're
Alright guys, it's kind of late, but I was having a heart-to-heart with myself. Sorry, I'm gonna do the morning part of this. I was talking to myself. If you talk to yourself, leave a comment down below, leave a like. Even if you're just by yourself and you want some, you know, verification, I guess, self-verification, I don't know. Yeah, but basically I was talking to myself about how everything is going right now. My love, oh my god, it seems like this is gonna turn over. Okay, perfect. God, mommy almost ran in that beach. Yeah. Guys, we're at chillin'. Alright guys, so we're here at chilling, just chilling and enjoying some food, and the vibes is nice since Paul has already eaten some. What do you think about the food?
It is amazing. I love it, love it, love it.
It is. It's like
curry is of that right flavor, and as the rest is there, like an auntie just make it.
Exactly, that's what I was about to say. The food tastes like it come from your auntie kitchen. It just shell. What's your favorite thing so far? The chicken or the curry goat, the roti? Talk about it.
Well, it's hard for me to describe. So I like the roti. I mean the curry goat, because it have that nice little the flavor and how it gets together and everything.
Yes.
Always love a fried chicken. This one again, goes to press.
Good morning, guys. I know it's been a while since you've seen a video, and it's been a while since I've vlogged. I think I'm probably gonna do a sit-down video explaining, like, you know, just an update on life, what's been going on, where I've been. Technically I've only been gone like probably 2 weeks if you count like how long I haven't vlogged, but it's been a while, so yeah, just wanted to explain that. Today is September 15th and I'm picking up my grandpa. He's coming to town to deal with some stuff, and then after I pick him up, I'm going to head to Mobay to pick up my mom because she's here for a week. So I'm gonna have to pick her up. I'm gonna drive the Ochi way, and I'm gonna make some stops along the way, just to pick up some things and drop off some things. So yeah, continue watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Drop any questions you have down below on the update living in Jamaica, because I think that's what I'm gonna do, an updated living in Jamaica video, the ups and downs, lockdown, COVID, curfew, all of that. So if you have any questions, just drop them down below, and I'll see you in the next clip. Alrighty guys, so mommy's flight is early. She just texted me and said that she'll land. Mind you, it's supposed to be 11 o'clock, so regardless, it should have been like the next 45 minutes. So I would have at least reached Ochi already by the time she reached, and then probably like another hour and a half to reach like Mobay. Probably another hour, yeah, and a half to reach Mobay. And sis said she landed, so by the time I reach Ochi, she'll probably be coming outside, and then by the time I reach Mobay, she'll be chilling for about an hour. So we'll see. I'm on the toll right now. I stopped, got gas, full tank. Can we talk about how gas prices have raised, toll raised, groceries raised, and the lockdown has decreased the amount of days people are working? Sorry, now it's all up in my face. I was planning on stopping and getting some drone shots, but since everything is so off schedule, I won't be able to make any stops. I'm just gonna drive straight. I won't be able to make any stops in Ochi either. So there's a, oh Jesus, there's a truck right next to me. Yeah, I'll just see you guys when I'm at the airport, and yeah. Love you.
Go Sharon first?
Yeah. I'll come back, let you know, come back and go, yeah.
Okay, okay. Alright, watch it. I'm being indisciplined. I'm being indisciplined.
It get worse now.
Yeah, well, you just go in front of the chocolate park or something. I can come back the road. Say bye. Bye, mommy.
Say bye-bye.
Guys, something happened. Shootout, car accident, bombing, something. Big old military truck, JDF, TVJ. Big old something happened, man. Uh-oh, I'm in the wrong lane. I'll be back.
Then the board up on cast on it.
Guys, I always see the soup man on Bay Farm Road. And he's always have a lot of people. And in my institution I get bigger too because it wasn't so big, you know. Anyways, we're about to test him out now, and I hope he's really good. And if he is, he'll make it in this clip. So go and check him out. Yeah. Okay, so mommy just said it's cold. What again? Cold skin, red peas, chicken foot. That was it? All in one. So like I said, like every time I drive by here, I have a crowd, people come. So even watch your man come and bring him in a container. So we're gonna buy the 251, something like that, and we're gonna try it. I've never had an all-in-one soup before, but one pot soup all in one. But like I keep saying, it must be good because them always have people, and you know, if the soup not good, your place empty, crowd empty, and your pot full, and if your pot look like whole heap of people come get from it today already. So we'll see. So I don't know if this is gonna be in the future or if it's gonna be in the vlog that I'm gonna try to get to you on Sunday. I don't know where this falls in the vlog, to be honest, but I'm on my way now to my new place because I'm moving again. There's so much drama with the last place. While it was a nice house, it just wasn't working out for several reasons. Yeah, so here we are again, moving. And as you know by now, I'm in New York by the time this part of the videos come around, I think. Yeah, I don't know, but I don't think I'm gonna try to do an empty apartment video right now, on my way over there, and I'm just gonna put that in another video, and then when I come back, you'll just get more of what the inside of the apartment looks like with the stuff. It's in a gated community, so I can definitely tell you where, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. Yeah, so I'll see you when I get over there. Okay guys, so we're gonna step into the new place now. It's smaller than the other one. Don't mind a little magazine and hangers. I'm moving some stuff in right now, so I have to show you what it's looking like just right now. But like I said, you'll see what it looks like after. So this is the kitchen. And when you come in, I have some amazing lighting because we have these big windows right here. And that's what it looks like on that end. And then there's 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. You know, your living room, more of your living dining room, kitchen, and then you also have a linen closet, which is right here. Let me show you inside of that. So yeah, that's what it's looking like. And then this is what one of the bedrooms is looking like. I love the bedroom doors. I think it's very beautiful and modern. Even inside the kitchen, I'm gonna go over there more and show you what that's looking like. But the bedroom is pretty big, very high ceilings. And I apologize about the echo, but also here's a little closet and storage space up above. Having a lot of stuff moving tonight, so can't wait to show you. They're also gonna fit up the living room and both bedrooms with AC and get some ceiling fans or wall fans, so that's really nice. The bathroom is looking like this. I'm gonna have to clean it up and then show you it better, but their shower heads, sorry it's dark, their shower heads are uber modern. So I'm really liking that. Again, with the sleek doors, you can see a bit of the shower head better right now. And then we're gonna go on into the second bedroom, which is roughly the same size, a little bit smaller than the first bedroom. It only has 1 window, but it has sufficient closet space as well. So it's honestly really, really, really nice. Sorry about the echo. So let's head on back into the living room. So as you can see, it's very nice, it's very spacious, a lot of beautiful lighting. I'll be doing a lot of amazing videos in here. Maybe I'll even do some cooking videos. Set up the camera like this and cook for you guys. I also have a very big backyard. They're gonna cut the yard, because with the rain it just really grows. If you recognize this area, I'd really appreciate it if you just don't say where it is if you do recognize it, because it's not that hard to figure out some of these gated communities in Jamaica. But they're gonna bring some pipes by, and they're also gonna fix up this door, because if you look right here where my hand is, that part needs to fix, it's broken. But yeah, I'm just moving in some stuff, and then yeah, so thanks for watching this bit. Watch me move in, and then we'll jump back to the other part of the video where I was talking about whatever I was talking about. Peace out.
And them never pay their work and whatever and so forth.
Malik is leaving me, guys. She's heading off back to Portland. For all you always ask where Malik is, Malik be in Portland. So we're dropping her off now at the bus station. I'm going to see which bus she's getting on. And then we're going to hit the road. Mommy and I are going to go to Arcabessa, and then we're going to go to Trelawney after. Alright, so let's find a bus. Whoa, you wanna see that? Jesus! I know must I see that man through the corner of the camera. Come over. No man. Him say by the building, yes sir. What asshole? Alright guys, I'll be right back. Good morning guys. I have you set up on the steering wheel. I'm in the parking lot of the supermarket in Christiana because I'm supposed to be meeting a client and I can't reach her. I told her that I was running a little bit behind time, but I was only like 10 minutes, so like 10 minutes late. But I've been calling and it's 7:40 now, and can't reach her, but I have a hair appointment at 8 o'clock. So, and I have to buy, can you imagine? I have to buy the, you know, sometimes the hairdresser them have like a jam that they put in your hair when they're partying and stuff like that. I have to buy that and bring it. And guess who's bringing it back home when it's done? Me. So yeah, I have I think 3.5 packs of hair, almost 4 packs of hair. I want a long hairstyle, not this long. And I'm waiting on the beauty supply, and it doesn't open until 8:30, and the pharmacy don't open until 8:30. So I'm gonna try a thing, like I'm trying to get through to my client, and I'm also like, if somebody come in for open up the store, I just beg them, yeah, please, I'm begging you, let me just buy this one product. I beg. So yeah, I leave tomorrow. This vlog is pretty weird, isn't it? It's all over the place. So I hope you get an understanding of what's been going on. My life has been all over the place. But I'm looking at the viewfinder, and it's getting clean. This is what I could shivvy up to do with my hair, because I can't really do the cane roll them. So I have 2 plaits at the back, and then I got like right here with the cane roll, and then I just roll it the rest of the way. So I'm pinning it up with a clip, if you can see. Yeah. Watch food. I'm getting my hair done. Time for some food. And I have Big Joe. Yeah, man. And I have a Netflix video play, and I have a nice view. It's nice. Yes, we had done a videoing. I videoed them now. Yeah.
So we talk about it.
Mama did that dark. So take it back and I insert the solid. Solid. That's it. Guys, we're in here, and Ray and Nephew's finished the local Jamaican, except for rum bar. It's all sold out. Sold out.
Just the rum bar only. I push rum bar.
Guys, they weren't ready for us and the door was locked. We were stuck in this hallway for like 2 minutes. But we're moving now, so I'm about to go to customs. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm outside of High Hop, and so in New York you can't, or New York City, you can't sit inside the restaurants unless you're vaccinated. Mommy, I don't know where she stopped. Well, I know where she stopped, but she's around the corner, so she needs to come and park because I'm sitting outside waiting for the food, so we can only do pickup unless you are vaxxed. And they check, they ask, because I heard them asking people for their ID and their vaccination card. So that's interesting. I'm pretty sure it's just New York City. I'm not sure. No, I'm pretty sure it's just New York City. When I get to Buffalo though, I'll let you guys know. But yeah. So yeah. Waiting for mommy to come back. I don't think I did.
You didn't get it?
I don't think so. Shopping with Miss Megan. Don't she look cute? I look a young girl, you know. And here I am. I got 2 pairs of shoes from Bloomingdale's. Now we're heading down. Oh, you can't see. Now we're heading down to Saks. Let's see what we can snatch up. And then we're gonna head, because mommy has to get her car serviced. And then, once it's serviced, we're gonna drive back to Buffalo. So hopefully reach Buffalo by tomorrow morning. It's gonna be a 6 to 8 hour drive, depending on traffic and the condition of the road. You never know what you'll see, right? Yeah, anyways guys, here's Sexy Megs. She's talking about let's go walk. I don't want to walk. Got these shoes guys and I put them on. Who else does that? Put them on right away. And then look for mommy's Doc Martens. I swear, me got dye me hair, mommy dye her hair. Mother hairstyle to the side, mommy the hairstyle to the side. Me like Doc Martens. Look who pull up in a Doc Martens.
I work the money.
Okay, who cares? I might style them. It's gonna like when I work more money too. Yes. Guys, my hair is so long. I don't think I showed you how long. Reach right to my knee. Right at my knee. Anyways. Alright, let's go use the dealership. Back in America. Guys, all the thing different. It's different. We tried the cola champagne and the cola champagne tasted off. I think alright, but it just don't have the same taste. Don't have the same shebang. It's different. Even the bottle shape is different. But yeah, this one is sparkling grapefruit. How's your chicken soup?
It's alright. I'm gonna guess what I think.
TMI. But anyways, is it Jamaica standard?
Of course not. Should know that.
In Jamaica standard. I have a soup video if you guys want to watch a soup video when I was driving through Trelawney and I stopped at different soup spots on the way. I'll link it right up here on the top of the screen, so, and also check the description box if you want to see it, because I had some ital soup, had some red pea soup, some cow skin soup, like different kind of soup, and it was really nice. Mommy also got some curry goat and white rice. Anyways, I think this is her time to end off the video. My hair at a better glance. Oh, lift it up on the floor, yes. Pull it to the side. It's too tight, yeah. This is day 3 in New York. Is it day 3?
Yeah.
Day 3 New York. We're gonna head to Buffalo. I think I already told you guys this, so I'll just see you at a later time. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and watch all the ads. Watch all the ads. If it's 5 minutes long, I won't blame you if you skip it, because not even I watch 5 minutes long ad for myself. So watch all the short ads if you can, and thank you so much for always supporting. We're on our way to Buffalo.
Some night driving thing.
It's currently after 12. It's 9 minutes past 12. And we're leaving out of Queens. So clock this. It's 12 o'clock. Let's see what time we reach to Buffalo. Fair warning. Even number. Alright guys, see you on the road.
Family was definitely one of the key things with Ray growing up. Being Air Force brats, my dad was in the military. The top of that building. I tried to do it. I tried to walk up there. I tried to walk through that lobby. It's not something that just anyone casually can do walking off the street.
You have to go through like these back stairwells that lead up that
Pit stop, getting some gas. It's currently 4:11. Let me make sure that time correct. 8 minutes after 4. And we are in, I don't even know, let me try zoom out. Athens, we're in Athens, New York. And it's saying that we have it's saying that we're gonna reach around 7 o'clock, so we have 3 more hours to go. Mommy is right there. Can't see her, but she's right there. I'm pumping gas. Okay, hey guys, so let me turn this way. Yeah, so it is 7 o'clock. We got home at 7 o'clock. 11 minutes before the GPS predicted that we would arrive. So yeah, it took Mommy exactly 7 hours to get back from New York City to Buffalo, and we're still in New York State. So can you imagine other states that are much bigger, like driving across California or Texas or you know those places? But yeah, we're just gonna go lay down, continue listening to and watching the little Netflix documentary thing that we like to play when we're driving. So I'll see you guys in the day. Peace out. And I'm getting back into the groove of vlogging, so just bear with me as I find my way back to vlogging. Okay, let's see. Oh, do this. Okay. Oh. Nervous. I'm nervous. It's been a while. I'm outside. I'm just trying to look a bit cute for you guys. My neck is looking chaka chaka. I need to fix it. Anyways, you guys don't care about that. Okay. Let me just fix it. Come on, one look apart. Okay, wow. Nervous. No. Alright, after this we're gonna call it a day. No, I just can't go on. Oh my god. And the bikes. They're kids on dirt bikes. Okay. Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a very Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone a really long time and I am so sorry. Honestly,